This is a review of the Bandletic Apple Watch series band that I'm going to be doing a unboxing review and install on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review, we're going to open this up, show you guys the watch band in detail, and from there I'm going to pretty much wear it on and show you guys how it looks. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so here is the Apple Watch band, so you can see how beautiful they look like. But not only they are magnetic, and that's not the cool part. The most coolest part about this is that, for example, over time, if you get bored with this color, you could flip it right over here, and you can have it with black and red. Or if you want, you could just have it full black on black. Or if you want, you can have it full red on red. And it's just really, you could customize it to however you're liking it. So if you ever get bored with the colors, you could just change the colors like that and have it with black and red, or red on red, or black with black. And really, it's cool right over here. This comes with these straps right over here. So to tighten and put it inside like that to lock it in place. But this right over here, I have an Apple Watch Series 6 right over here. That is a 38 millimeter. And this watch strap, for example, it fits for a Apple Watch Series 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, and a 6. So it fits on all those generation models. So you could just, put it on like that. Now, if you're wondering how you put it on, if you hold this button right over here, this button locks in place. You just slide it like that and hold this at the same time, and it just locks in place like that. But now what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you guys the finished results when I have it on to my Apple Watch Series 6. Okay, so here's the finished results of the Apple Watch that I have it on. Very simple and easy. If you want to slide it out, you just hold this button right over here, press this button right here, and just slides out like that and just pops back in place. But you can see the red on red. And now we're going to show you guys all the color effects. Okay, so red on red, this is what it looks like. It looks absolutely beautiful. I just love with red on red. Red with black, you can see how beautiful this also looks like as well too. And last but not least, black on black, and you can see how this also looks beautiful as well. Overall, if you're looking for an Apple Watch that is very easy to install, very easy to take out, and it's magnetic, and to have different types of colors at the same time, and you can just switch it very easily, this Apple Watch band right over here is probably one of the best bands you could get, considering the fact that it's magnetic, very easy to install, it's user-friendly, very easy to put on, and it just flips to different colors as well too. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this Apple Watch band if you're looking for a replacement Apple Watch band or a new one that looks aesthetically cool and is magnetic. This one right over here is probably one of the best Apple Watch bands you could get, and I would definitely recommend this product.